Hey there, what's up everyone? Thank you so much for 10,000 subscribers. It means a lot to me. So today we'll be making salt and pepper chips and curry sauce, Chinese takeaway style. Let's go. Alright guys, the ingredients are super simple. Get yourself some chips and we'll be frying these from frozen. Sliced onions, some sliced peppers, a mix of green and red, some sliced chilies and spring onions. I have some dehydrated garlic here. I have a salt and pepper mix here. I'm going to share with you a screenshot of the recipe, and there's your ingredients for salt and pepper chips. For the curry sauce, I'm using Chinese curry sauce. You can buy these from Chinese supermarkets. This is a very tasty curry sauce, super quick and easy and delicious. And if you can, get yourself some coconut milk. This will make your curry sauce extra creamy. You'll also need some potato starch water to thicken your curry sauce. Alright guys, so now we have all our ingredients. We're ready to start cooking. Alright guys, wok on. Heat up your wok, oil. Now at the restaurant, we use more oil for frying because the wok is quite powerful. But at home, you can use an air fryer or shallow fry your chips. Heat up your oil. Once your oil is nice and hot, chips in. You can start by trying one chip. You can put the rest of your chips in. Fry your chips for about 4 minutes until nice and golden brown. Alright, so nice and golden brown now. Back on high heat, final 10 seconds, get it nice and crispy. Alright, off the heat, strain it out. In the same wok, put your vegetables in. Fry. Chips in. Toss. Salt and pepper. 1. And again, 2. About 1 teaspoon. And now we serve. Now, back to the wok. Quick wash. Heat up your wok again. Oil. Curry sauce, half a tablespoon in. Melt it slowly in the wok. Don't use any heat yet. See how it's dissolving. Alright. Once it becomes like this, you add water, 1 ladle. Stir it. And now we season. Half a tablespoon of salt, half a tablespoon of MSG, 1 teaspoon of sugar, coconut milk, half a tablespoon. See how it's thickening up. Touch of dark soy. A bit of colour, give it a quick taste. And now we get ready to thicken. Get your potato starch water. High heat. Stir it quickly. And that's the consistency you want. And now we serve. This is how you make salt and pepper chips with curry sauce. That was so good. Delicious. So, there you are. Hope you've enjoyed this video and I'll catch you next time. Bye!